We're going to sharpen up a dull pocket knife today. Show you my sharpeners work, a block knife sharpener. Alright, look at here. You can see how dull that is. You see I'm pressing hard. That's what gets you hurt, is a dull knife, because you're pressing hard, then you slip and cut yourself. You squeeze these in here nice and tight, draw through. Keep the pressure on them when they're real dull. As you get sharp, you'll lighten up. These are made to reline the blade, put the original edge back in. I'm the only sharpener like this that has that flex, so it follows your edges. That. Take your razor sharp real quick. We're 100% American made. We offer lifetime guarantees. I put my name and my website right on my handles. Look how sharp that got. Yeah. It works, don't it? I got these today, 20 bucks each, guys. They're like just regular kitchen knives, hunting knives. It'll grab any blade you got. Butcher knives, draw them through. Oh yeah, he's got one. He's one of my first customers today. Look at that. You didn't even see the serrade. Anything with teeth, roll it in the middle. It will not hurt them. I've done every kind there is to do. Take a serrade way sharper.
Just do that way?
Yeah, right in the middle.
In the middle of the teeth.
There's live videos on the website. Website's in the fine print on my handle. Shows you how to sharpen every kind of knife you can think of. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.